Hey, all right, week 10. We finally made it. I know this was a fast semester, but it also feels like we've been doing this a while with the mini two semesters. So last week, got a lot of stuff though, so don't let up yet. Exam 5 is going to be on plant structure and organization. So just those last two lectures that we watched. And that one's going to be available Wednesday and Thursday. That's the last 2 days of the semester. I know Wednesday, Thursday is not usually when we've done tests, but the semester's done Thursday, so I wanted to give you as much time to prepare for this one since we had the last exam pretty recently. So again, just on those last two chapters, plant structure and organization, just like all semester, we're using Respondus Lockdown Browser. Make sure that you record your environment and everything before you take the test. All right, but there are a few other assignments that are also going to be due Thursday. So just make a note of that because most of the time everything's been due on Sunday. Semester will be over on Thursday. So everything I'm about to say, make sure you get that done as soon as possible. Honestly, since the test is not until the back half of this week, go ahead and do these things early on so you don't have to worry about it. You can just take the test and walk away and be done with it. So discussion board 5 is on carnivorous plants. Quick video for you to watch on that, and then you will leave a post yourself, and then you need to respond to another student's post. Okay? That one's worth 10 points. There is, excuse me, there's an end of semester survey. Most of you have done this already, but it's worth 5 bonus points. It's just to get some feedback about this class, how it worked for you as a mini class. And like I said, just some kind of general feedback you can give me. All right. So that'll be worth 5 bonus points. And then remember, there's an optional bonus lab. Your lab kit came with more labs than we had time to do since this was such a fast-paced semester. So the bonus lab is excuse me, classification of species. When you log on to SI Cloud, our website, that'll be the last lesson, is classification of species. And that one, because it's a lab, I'm making it worth 20 points. So it's 20 optional bonus points. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's not going to count against you. That's a huge chunk of points at the end of the semester. All right. Now, here's the one big thing about this. So make sure you hear me. The semester is over on Thursday. All right. So if you wait until Thursday night to take your final and you realize, oh, I don't think I did that well on the final, I need to get some extra points in there. Anything you're going to turn in has to be submitted by Thursday. So Friday morning, I'm going to be up here finalizing grades because the semester's over, and I'll check the test. I'll get your grade posted on there. Let's say you made like a 79.4, which doesn't round up. You were like really, really close. After Thursday, it's too late to turn in anything to get those bonus points. All right. So if you think you're going to need them, listen, everybody just play it safe. Do all of the bonus stuff that you can. And that way you won't have to worry about should I have done it or not. One other thing, that discussion board, that one's not bonus. It's a regular grade. So what that means is if you take the test and you're like, all right, I feel good, I'm not going to do anything else. If you don't do that discussion board, when I come in to finalize grades, I'm going to have to put in a 0 if you didn't do that. And that's going to bump your grade back down a little bit. So easy way to avoid all of that headache is just do everything that you can possibly do, and you don't have to worry about should I have submitted something or not. All right, I'm rambling a little bit, so I think I'm done. But if you've got any questions, if you need any help with anything, let me know. Thanks.